single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make.
I have to restart the vlog because I didn't press record. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I'm Blayz, and I'm your tech expert slash yeah slash everything else. Yeah. Good job. Okay, so today I'll be showing you how to make a paper airplane like this. Okay. So first thing you want to do is you want to get a piece of paper. Okay. You want to fold it like this. You want to fold the two tops into a triangle, and then you fold the sides down on both sides, and then you fold it again in like so, and then you got a paper airplane.